In color psychology, pink is said to ease stress and bring a sense of calm. Have you ever stepped into a garden or botanical space filled with pink flowers and suddenly felt a little lighter, as if your heart had softened just a bit? It really feels like pink flowers have a quiet power to gently soothe our emotions. So in this video, we'll introduce some beautiful herbs with pink blooms, perfect for adding warmth and charm to your garden. It's a short 3-minute video, so we hope you'll stay with us until the end. In this video, we introduced 10 herbs that bloom with beautiful pink flowers. Choose the varieties that match your style and let them inspire your future garden plans.